Hey, Steve Champagne here with Profile Technologies. In today's sneak peek demo video, I want to get into email marketing. I'm very excited to show you this. Okay, let's face it. The vast majority of us really don't like picking up the phone. There's been a lot of buzz about cold email marketing. If that is how you want to build your digital agency, we're going to let CloudLeadz do that for you quickly and easily. Now, in previous demo videos, I showed you how easy it was to build a B2B business list, how to get email addresses, how to verify those email addresses, and now you want to start reaching out to that particular market. Oh, and in the previous one, I showed you how to create all your marketing templates. So all you can just easily click, and off you go. So today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use those template in emails, both in a one-on-one basis and on a broadcast basis. So without further ado, let's get into picture-in-picture today. I think you're going to find this pretty sexy. All right, let's go get those restaurants. And let's go find the ones that have email addresses. By the way, you don't have to do this filter, but I recommend you do this filter. Just come in and just do email. And now we have these particular records. Now, what I want to show you is a bulk function here today is come over here. I want to change the stage. I want to jump over to pending education series. This will deal with one of the ways you can actually use the email campaign bulk broadcasting function. So they're all set up right now, ready to go. But before we talk about that, I want to show you how you can do one-offs in the system. In previous demo videos, I've showed you our send email tab. And the previous, like the last demo video, if you're watching this in a series, I showed you how to make templates. Here's where you can come in and literally select your marketing template. This is actually one of the emails you've probably gotten from me, right? And it's right here, ready to go. I can preview it. We've loaded it, with all its key data, and all I have to do is hit send, and off it goes. And once it's sent, we will get in the history area that the email has been sent. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Now, probably doing one-offs is not the way you want to go. Personally, that's how I do start my initial series. Is I pick up the phone, and you've probably gotten a call from me, right, saying, "Hey, we're doing something. I'd like to send you something." I can do that while I was on the phone with you. I was literally getting your email address if I didn't have it, and then just hitting send. And by the time I got off the phone with you, my email was already in your inbox. That's pretty powerful if you think about it. Okay, so if you want to do what I like to call is a call, mail, call, you can do it with CloudLeadz. Okay, let's get into probably how Steve, how can I send out 50, 75, 100, 200, 500 emails a day with your system? Well, it's pretty straightforward and very simple. All you have to do is come over to here and click on email campaigns. And you can see I have a GR1 email 3 demo going out. And we'll talk about this in a second. You'll also see some common features here. We got the ability to sort on any of your fields, right? And you also have great filtering at the top as far as open rates, click-through rates, and you can do it on date ranges and get that nice list view. Over to the right, you have all the various actions, and we'll go over that in a minute, but let's create a email that needs to go out. So let's take those restaurants, right? And I'm just gonna write sample today. Let's grab a profile. Currently, you have the ability to have 3 users in CloudLeadz, yourself as admin and 3 assistants. Later on in the year, we're going to be giving you a team, right? So you'll be able to give different functionalities of the system to different people, kind of administrative, manager, salesperson, a telemarketer that's using the power dialer. You'll be able to give them, and so when they log in, they only see what you give them permissions to see. All right, that's coming down the road here in a little bit. But right now, you would select the profile that you want. I'm going to use my personal profile. I'm going to come in and change in my name here, right? Actually, it's Steve at the local biz builder. This is my own digital agency, by the way. I'm actually using this in my own digital agency business. And now I want to load that template. let's take that a pending data template, right? Here it is. Hey there, here's the email for a pending data. Now this is where the marketing list comes in. It's one of the ways you can use the system if you want to move a large list through different stages. So first things first, let's take that restaurant list, right? Let's take that stage right here. It says pending education series, and then I'm just going to move it to the next stage. This is one of the ways that you can use the system. I'll be giving you some training, by the way, on what is the best way to use this part of the function, so you can quickly get, set up a whole series of these emails to go out on time. So once I hit save, now we have a campaign right here. It says sample, not sent. It's in draft view, right? Now if you want to view this, all you have to do is click on the preview button, and you'll get your 9 emails that are all set up here. The fact that we don't have a name in here, it's just blank. I have to kind of tweak this a little bit, but you can see right here, hi there, blah, and I go through, and since there's no names or personalization in this particular email, we're just using our default tag information that's in here. So you can preview, you can send yourself a test. If you want to fire this off immediately, all you would have to do is come over here and hit go, right? Or you can come in here and hit the schedule function. Come in here very easily. Say I want to send this out on Monday at 9:30. Hit schedule. That email is queued up, ready to go. And at 9:30 on Monday, the 28th of January, those emails will go out. And once they go out, you'll start getting data here. You'll get, what was delivered, what was sent, come back here. Once they start opening, you'll see how many are open, what's the percentage that was opened, and then what was the percentage of clicked based on your delivered, okay? And then you'll be able to quickly zero in. If I want to quickly see who opened my email or clicked my email, all I have to do is click on that link, and that gives me a nice sort. We go back to the contact manager, and we can see who those leads are. Now, maybe you just want to do a quick follow-up call to that. Additionally, and I'll cover this in another demo video, you'll be getting those alerts over here in the alerts and notifications of who's opening, so you'll be able to quickly drill into your leads from this view too when you log in. So that is email, and we're quite excited about it. I think it's really going to help a lot of you guys start getting those touches out there. The whole thing about marketing, there's a lot of marketing noise in the digital agency space with local businesses. There's a ton of us out there. Let's just be frank about that. And if you want to actually be serious about building a business, you need to have a system to constantly be reaching out to your prospects. And we feel email is one of those ways, coupled with some postcards and some few phone calls to build up that relationship. That is the way you get your fair share of any market in the space and feel like you're not spinning your wheels. So this wraps up the demo on the email marketing. Like all previous demo videos, there's a button just below this video. If you would click on it, complete the short form, and schedule a 15 to 20 minute Zoom demo with me. We'll talk about where we're at, where we're going. You're going to really love some of the functionality. It's coming in 2019. I just got done building out what I'm calling autopilot UI. In the autopilot UI, you're going to be able to literally put your whole entire campaigns on autopilot and move people from one part of your segment of your list to another part of the segment list based on what's going on. And so if you jump on a call with me, I'll actually share that UI with you. All right, so go ahead, click that button, schedule a 15-minute Zoom meeting with me, 20-minute Zoom meeting with me, and I look forward to talking to you. Take care. Bye-bye.